our video. So today we will be talking about pollution in Sungai Tebrau, Johor. So before we getting started, let's meet our team members. My name is Sofea.
I'm Syazana.
I'm humaira.
I'm fazlyana.
And I'm Ain.
Let's get started. As you all know, Sungai Tebrau is one of the major river in Johor Bahru that is 33 kilometers long. In the past, Sungai Tebrau is one of the places that we can go for fishing and do some human activities. But nowadays, Sungai Tebrau is very polluted and the color is very dark with full of rubbish. How did this happen?
Between 2020 and 2034, multiple reports have shown that Sungai Tebrau frequently records poor to polluted water quality index levels. Pollution sources include domestic sewage discharge, industrial effluents, urban stormwater runoff, and improper solid waste disposal. The river flows through highly developed areas where untreated or partially treated wastewater enters the river system. This has resulted in elevated BOD, COD, suspended solid, nutrients, and microbial contaminants. Due to multiple pollution sources and stakeholders involved, isolated solutions are ineffective. Therefore, a holistic and integrated approach is required to ensure long-term river sustainability. Water pollution in Sungai Tebrau is a complex engineering problem caused by overlapping environmental, technical, social, and regulatory factors. Conventional enforcement and treatment methods often address pollution individually without considering ecosystem recovery, behavioral change, or future resilience. As a result, pollution continues despite existing regulations. This situation highlights the urgent need for an integrated sustainable solution that combines engineering and technological interventions and natural and ecosystem-based solutions while considering health and safety, economic feasibility, and environmental protection.
Water pollution in urban rivers such as Sungai Tebrau is primarily caused by a combination of physical, chemical, and biological factors linked to rapid urbanization and human activities. From a physical perspective, improper solid waste management leads to the accumulation of plastics, sediments, and debris in the river. This material reduce water flow, increase turbidity, and disrupt the aquatic habitats. Chemically, untreated or partially treated industrial effluents and domestic wastewater introduce the pollutants such as heavy metals, detergent, nutrients, and organic matter into the river system. Excessive nutrients, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus from sewage and agricultural runoff, contribute to eutrophication, causing oxygen depletion in the water. From a biological standpoint, the discharge of wastewater containing pathogens promotes the growth of harmful microorganisms, increasing biological oxygen demand, which is the BOD, and posing serious risk to public health. Overall, these pollution sources are interconnected and intensified by weak enforcement and inadequate infrastructure and high urban runoff during rainfall, highlighting the need for an integrated and sustainable management approach.
The polluted river will cause a serious problem for everyone. The biggest impact is on nature, which is the river eventually flows into the sea. And that means our trash and chemical disposal will end up hurting the ocean and the living creature in it. Another big problem is flooding. When it rains heavily, the plastic bottle and the trash will block the drainage and the river water will overflow, leading to terrible flooding in Johor Bahru. On top of that, the river is a very danger to our health if it's polluted. It smells very bad and it will carry diseases that no longer safe to be near or to do some water activities in the river.
The river is polluted mainly due to illegal dumping, urban runoff, and domestic waste, which harm water quality, aquatic life, and nearby communities. To solve this problem, we propose two main solutions, which is engineering solution and natural solution. First, we propose installing floating trash trap and river boom to capture rubbish before it spread downstream. We also suggest using real-time water quality sensor with AI technology to monitor pollution levels such as BOD, COD, and turbidity. This allows faster detection of pollution and quicker action. These solutions are practical, effective, and suitable for Sungai Tebrau. Next, we propose restoring the river bank by planting native vegetation along the river. This plant filter pollutant, strengthen the river bank, and improve ecosystem health. We also encourage community clean-up program to increase public awareness and responsibility towards protecting the river. By combining engineering control and natural ecosystem restoration, we can improve the water quality of Sungai Tebrau and protect it for the future.
Now we will evaluate the proposed solution based on feasibility, effectiveness, sustainability and safety. Firstly, in terms of feasibility, the engineering solutions such as trash traps and water quality sensors are already widely used and easy to implement. They are suitable for the urban environment of Sungai Tebrau and can be installed without major disruption. Secondly, regarding effectiveness, these systems are able to immediately reduce visible pollution and continuously monitor water quality, allowing the authorities to respond quickly to pollution incidents. Thirdly, in terms of sustainability, the combination of engineering systems and natural solutions such as riverbank vegetation ensures long-term river recovery. Natural vegetation improves water filtration, support biodiversity, and strengthen the ecosystem over the time. Lastly, for safety and compliance, all proposed measures follow existing environmental laws and safety guidelines, ensuring the protection of workers, the public, and the surrounding ecosystem. Overall, this integrated approach provides a practical, safe, and sustainable solution to improve the environmental condition of Sungai Tebrau.
In addition to the engineering and natural solutions, artificial intelligence, or also known as AI, can be used creatively to enhance river management in Sungai Tebrau. AI can be integrated with real-time water quality sensors installed along the river. These sensors continuously collect data such as BOD, COD, turbidity, and dissolved oxygen. Using AI algorithms, the system can analyze patterns, detect abnormal changes, and predict pollution events before they become severe. For example, when AI detects sudden increases in pollution levels, it can automatically alert authorities for faster investigation and enforcement. AI can also help identify pollution hotspots and estimate pollution sources based on data trends, allowing more targeted action. So, by using AI technology, monitoring becomes smarter, faster, and more efficient. This improves decision-making, reduces response times, and support long-term sustainable river management. Okay, so now let's talk about SDG. So, the proposed integrated solutions strongly support the Sustainable Development Goals, particularly SDG 11 and SDG 12. So, as for SDG 11, which focuses on sustainable cities and communities, is addressed by improving river water quality and reducing flood risk. Cleaner rivers create safer living environments, improve public health, and enhance the quality of life for communities living near Sungai Tebrau. And as for SDG 12, which promotes responsible consumption and production, is supported through better waste management, pollution control, and increased public awareness. By preventing illegal dumping and encouraging responsible waste disposal, this solution helps reduce pollution at the source. So overall, these integrated solutions promote sustainable urban development, environmental protection, and responsible resource management in Johor Bahru. In conclusion, water pollution in Sungai Tebrau is a serious issue caused by urbanization, poor water management, and untreated wastewater. Through an integrated approach involving engineering solutions, natural ecosystem restoration, policy enforcement, and AI technology, this problem can be effectively addressed. So, protecting Sungai Tebrau is essential for public health, community safety, and future generation. And with sustainable planning, the river can be restored for Johor Bahru. And as for that, this is the end of our video. So, thank you for watching.